Hello everyone, welcome to TechHawk.
In this video, I am going to show you how to forward any email from a specific email address to another email address. For example, I want to create an automated rule that will forward any email from Mr. X to Mr. Y. Okay, let's see how to do this, then you will be clear about this. So to create any rule, first of all, we have to go to
Top right corner of Gmail interface. Now click on settings, an icon like a gear. Then click on see all settings. This will open a new window. From here, click on filter and block addresses. You can see currently we don't have any active filter. So I am going to click on create a new filter. Now this is very important. You have to write down the email address for which you want to create a rule to forward anyone else. Now in the from section, type the email address,
from which email you want to forward.
and now in the second part, in the to, type the email address you are using right now. That means if you receive any email from Mr. X, the first one, it will automatically forward to another person, Mr. Y. I am putting that in the next section. Now click on create filter. From here, fill the checkbox of forward it. Now click on add forwarding address. Here type your final destination address. That means in my case Mr. Y. Now Google will verify if it is you. Complete that process. Well, the recipient, in my case Mr. Y, has to confirm that he wants to receive the forwarding email from me. So he will receive a confirmation email, and by clicking on that link he has to confirm, he acknowledges. After receiving confirmation from the receiving end, now please refresh your page. So it's done now. Gmail will automatically forward any email from Mr. X to me will forward to Mr. Y. So hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.